Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the AI face morpher in deepfakemaker.io. So I found this really cool website. All you have to do is to click on this AI face morpher here. You can actually, let's just read it. It says, with the AI face morpher, if you effortlessly transform faces in your photos and discover new versions of yourself. Now it works almost similarly to all of these gender swap, head swap. I think it's just different branding. So all you have to do is to still upload the original picture and then upload your target picture, and then the AI swaps your face or morphs the face into yours. Now the major difference between this and every other one here is that this merges the picture of the original with the new one, which means that I can upload the original one and upload the target one, and at the end of the day would have a face that would combine both faces. So that's it, guys. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys. Subscribe, please.